Just hanging out there. He came today.
Yeah, we found a cicada coming out of his shell, growing his wings. He's slowly moving his wings, slowly pushing out.
Yep. Slowly but surely.
He is a cool looking little thing, huh?
Mhm.
It is wild. I've never actually seen one in the middle of this.
That's pretty gross.
That is amazing. You are so observant for grabbing onto that little mushroom.
We're just like, oh.
He's literally hanging on our mushroom over here. He's a pretty big guy.
He's a big guy.
Yeah.
He's really gross. Thank you guys. I want a picture too because he's really sick. He's... Sorry for disturbing you and your. I probably scared. I feel like he's definitely drying out those wings.
Yeah, they gotta grow a little too. He like extends them. They like
Yeah, he
unravel.
lets them dry out. That's like how butterflies do it too.
Yeah.
They sit there for a long time and then their
Right.
wings dry
Look, he's
out.
moving his legs.
Yeah, see?
He feels the wind blowing on him. He's like, oh man, that's chilly. Where'd the sun go? I need the sun to warm
I like
up.
how differently colored it is. It's like a bright green side for scratching your butt.
Yeah, before it turns into like that white and dark green. Because that's the season
like,
of these ones.